Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I am going to show you on how to duplicate a Shopify store. So first is you have to open your web browser and go to shopify.com, and then here you have to make sure that you are on your store. Now that you're here, just click on the add apps at the left side of your screen, and then here this section will open. Now just click on the Shopify App Store at the bottom, and then you'd be directed to this another tab. And once you're here, you'd be able to see here different applications that you can install on your store. Now, using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out Duplify and click on enter. Then you'd be able to see here different options. So you just have to make sure to install this one, duplicate your store, and then click on install. Okay, and then once you're done, you just have to select the install button. So this one, and then this application will be installed on your store. So welcome to Duplify. So we have an options right here at the top. We have home, we have the billing, and also we have the button which says here export. So using this app, you can basically export all your data from your Shopify store and make it duplicated. So that's how you can duplicate your Shopify store using this application. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.